Hi there, this is an instructional tutorial on how to use my seed inventory spreadsheet. So this is for those of you who like to collect seeds and track everything that you have. Okay, so on the left you've got number, and so this is the number that you have, like the first one. The category associated with the vegetable, you've got type of green beans, so we can just type in whatever vegetable it is. Variety, you've got the botanical name. Source, so if you've got a store, that your favorite store that you purchased it from, you can write that here, or a friend or a neighbor. The days to maturity, the sun requirements, the amount that you have, and then so if it's 1 gram, 1 ounce, 1 pound, 1 packet, or 10 seeds. So if you only have 10 seeds, you can put 10 seeds. Date received, double click in here. Expiration date, the shelf life in years. If you need to buy any more, check this box. And if you have extra to share, you can check that box. And then notes here to put, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if it didn't sprout, didn't grow, whatever about the seeds. So that's pretty much it. The README section, as soon as I'm done with this video, will have the link to this video tutorial. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks, guys.